Good evening. Now, Maharashtra state weather that is governed by one upper air cyclonic circulation over Vidarbha, and the main thing is the depression currently in the morning today was located at 10.5 degree north, latitude 72.3 degree east, longitude, and today evening 5:30 hours time it would be located somewhere at 11.8 degree north, latitude 73.1 degree east, longitude, and it would be in the form of deep depression. And 15:00 hours, that means tonight after 12 o'clock, it would be converted into cyclonic storm. And as you know, as soon as it is becoming cyclonic storm, it is getting a name. This time naming done by Myanmar, and its name will be Tau Te. So today midnight onward, it would be as a cyclonic storm. So tomorrow 17:30 hours, it is a severe cyclonic. 17:30 hours evening, it would be a severe cyclonic storm, and on 16th it would be evening time 17:30 hours. It would be something very severe cyclonic storm. That time it's expected wind speed may be 150, 160 km per hour with gusting speed 175 km per hour, and it is expected that near Gujarat coast on 18th May it would be present, and initial movement is northeast till today evening, and tomorrow onward it would be moving northwesterly direction. Now coming to the weather part over state, Konkan Goa. Konkan Goa, it is expected today it would be isolated to southern part of Konkan. It would be scattered rain, and today also heavy rain warning is there. Heavy rain, that is 64.5 mm to 115.4 millimeter a day. Then 15th, there is chance of widespread rain. That means more than 75% of area is likely to get rain, and 15th, 16th, both widespread rain with chance of isolated very heavy rain over Konkan, and 17th onward rainfall will reduce. It will be scattered, but heavy rain at isolated places warning will be there. Now coming to Madhya Maharashtra, here today it is fairly widespread rainfall activity. No warning for today. Mostly it would be light to moderate rain, and southern part of Madhya Maharashtra it may get moderate type of rain. Tomorrow it would be likely to be widespread rain with warning given for Ghat areas, isolated very heavy rain, and 16th it would be scattered rain only. 16th onward rainfall activity over Madhya Maharashtra will reduce, and over isolated areas it would be a heavy rain. Marathwada, as such, there is no warning. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow it would be scattered rain, moderate scattered areas, moderate rain. Vidarbha, it would be mostly isolated rain during this period. Now, our regional meteorological center, Kulaba, they have issued warning for Kolhapur, Satara, Sangli. That is 15th, tomorrow there is chance of isolated very heavy rain in some areas, and 16th also there is chance of isolated heavy rain. Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg district, 15th they have given isolated heavy to very heavy rain. For Pune district, Pune city, we have given mostly moderate rain city area, and in ghat areas it would be isolated heavy rain. For Pune city, we are issuing impact based forecast also for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Tomorrow we are expecting moderate rain and ghat areas isolated heavy rain with chance of thundery activity. Gusty wind means strong wind may be there tomorrow as well as today also. So maybe wind speed 30-40 km, and impact may be partial reduction in visibility, slippery road, so disruption in traffic flow, traffic movement must be slow. Low-lying areas there may be some stagnation of water, and because of little bit strong wind, there may be uprooting of branches. So that's all. Overall temperature side, Pune city district, it will be something 35-36 degree centigrade maximum, and minimum may be in the range of around 22 degrees centigrade. So that's all. 17th onward, this rainfall activity will reduce. Thank you.